Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still mostly clear out there at the moment, and will remain mostly clear as we go throughout the day today, with just a few clouds moving in as we go. Otherwise, temperature around 80 at the moment, and some calm to light and variable winds currently. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have a bit of high pressure that's built into the area with a boundary off to the west. We'll see that boundary move back our way as we get into Thursday evening into the overnight hours, bringing some warmer air with it for Friday before we see a cool down for the weekend. Otherwise, we take a look at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding. We have mainly northerly winds uniformly through the column, rising up to about 26 knots at 6,000 feet, and then peaking at 40 to 41 knots between 12 and 16,000 feet, and remaining in the upper 30s as we go up to 25,000 feet. Otherwise, the freezing level is at 14,900 feet. Take a look at the current satellite. We can see those mostly clear to mostly sunny skies across the area, and those light winds as well, with some cloud material off to the west, and looks like a few cumulus popping up on the western part of the Delmarva Peninsula. But otherwise, nice out there this morning. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the day today, expecting things to remain dry and nice. As we go into the evening, we'll have a chance for some showers and storms moving into the area, mainly through the overnight and early morning for our Thursday, likely during the start of the workday, and then we should see those start to push out through the morning hours and things drying out for the afternoon. Most likely with just a very slight chance of seeing a pop-up shower. Otherwise, we'll see things quiet down, and then we'll get another chance of some showers as we go through the overnight hours Thursday into Friday as the boundary drops through, bringing us again a chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms. They'll push out of here, and then we'll have a nice warm day for Friday with temperatures in the lower 90s. I could see some high mid to upper 90 heat index values. But otherwise dry as we move throughout the Friday with a very slight chance of an afternoon shower. Looking at the longer term forecast, this is the GFS model. As we go throughout the day, we'll jump up to Friday. Starting off with Friday here, we see this boundary start to push through. This is the cool boundary, and have a very slight chance of seeing the showers in the area late Friday evening and overnight, but not looking very likely. Otherwise, we'll see things start to cool down behind that, and with some high pressure building in, and we'll see a nice clear weekend. Could see some breezy conditions for Saturday, but otherwise a nice weekend on the cooler side as we go into the beginning of next week. Things will remain dry, and we'll see our next chance of seeing some precip as we go into Tuesday. So looking at the 24-hour weather vision chart, green across the board today, expecting temperatures to continue to climb a bit up to the low 80s, and we'll see those winds shift to become more onshore and then out of the southeast, but still remaining fairly light as we go through the overnight. We'll see some clouds build back in as we get into the morning hours of Thursday, with those chances of showers starting likely after 6 o'clock local, with about 20% chance of seeing a thunderstorm, and then bumping up to about 30% chance after 8 local. Otherwise, seeing a low around 68. Looking at the next couple of days, Thursday we should see a mostly cloudy day with the chance of those showers and thunderstorms in the morning, and then just a very slight chance for an afternoon shower or thunderstorm with a high of 80, so a little bit cooler. We do have the yellow risk for precip lightning and those lower ceilings of visibilities. Otherwise, we go into Thursday evening and into the overnight hours. We'll have another chance of showers and thunderstorms moving in with that boundary. Mostly cloudy. We'll have some slightly breezy conditions with a low of 73. And then going into Friday, we're expecting things to stay mainly dry throughout the day, with some partly cloudy skies, warm and humid, slightly breezy, and then becoming breezy as we get into the late PM hours Friday evening, but otherwise very slight chance of afternoon shower, and a high of 92. Again, we could see heat index values in the mid-90s to maybe upper 90s. Looking at the extended forecast as we get into the weekend, should be a nice weekend, partly to mostly cloudy day for Saturday. Otherwise breezy, high of 80. It's going to Saturday evening, expecting a low of 58. Sunday should be a very nice day with a cooler day with a high of 76 and just partly cloudy skies. Going into the beginning of next week, we'll see a little extra cloud cover with a high of 78 on Monday and a low 68 Monday evening. And we'll see that next chance of some showers moving into the area for Tuesday with mostly cloudy skies with a high of 85. That will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Enjoy the rest of your day.